Good morning and selamat datang to the Malaysia Tech Month 2020. This event is a supercharged continuation to the highly successful Malaysia Tech Week last year. My ministry has constantly pushed the digital economy agenda for the benefit of the people and investors through the various virtual conferences the Malaysia Digital Economy Corporation or MDEC has organized over the last few months. These very well received events include the eDagang Expo for e-commerce, the SME Digital Summit, My Digital Workforce Week, and the ongoing Level Up KL 2020. All of which took place in the last 6 months and had received overwhelming response. Saya Digital, the just launched people-centric digital literacy and adoption ground movement, has also gained significant traction. This clearly shows that there is a surging demand for digital solutions and content that will provide support for all Malaysians and local businesses to go digital and be ready to tackle everything this pandemic is throwing at us. For the Malaysia Tech Month, it will act as the direct extension of previous programs and offer even more, as the month of November will be feature-packed with digital-powered events, from fintech to drones, data, ecosystem development, tech hub showcases in various states, and digital content experiential platforms. This is truly an explosive list of initiatives for the month of November. All these contribute to the fact that Malaysia is the most ideal location for all digital investments in Southeast Asia. Moving the digital economy forward, Malaysia, like the rest of the world, is combating COVID-19 with all its strength. Beyond the hard work and massive effort of the frontliners, many big tech players, even Malaysia's own digital champions, have stepped up to provide as much assistance as possible to aid businesses digitalize. This is critical as it will help open the doors to the digital economy for all Malaysians. With Malaysia Tech Month featuring the nation's very best in the tech and digital ecosystem, all of which are enabled with the support of their visionary leaders, there is no doubt that Malaysia continues to be the trailblazer for the digital economy. Current efforts include developing new platforms to enhance workforce talent and ensuring the latest digital infrastructure and services is easily accessible to all Malaysians as the nation strives toward socio-economic inclusion and shared prosperity. At the Malaysia Tech Month, we will also witness and experience firsthand, albeit virtually, the great lengths this country has taken to grow and transform the digital economy. It will also be the clarion call for the global digital and tech industries to further their investment into Malaysia. Undoubtedly, there will be plenty from the digital ecosystem to interact and immerse with during the month of November. Please take the time to register, participate, and learn from these events, programs, networking opportunities, and workshops. This high-value and richly immersive event will not only be Malaysia's showcase of its digital economy to the world, it is also the nation's way of showing how its social economy, powered via its robust digital economy, remains resilient in these testing times. We are ever ready to face and lead heads-on this new era of disruption. A lot of effort that has gone into bringing the MTM20 to you, and I sincerely thank you all from the project team, the MDEC leadership, and the attendees and everyone for making this happen. More importantly, I look forward to seeing how this contribution will grow and transform this highly engaging and immersive ecosystem to be the best in the region. After all, Malaysia is centrally located in Southeast Asia and aptly is now the pulsating heart of digital ASEAN. Thank you.